If you're looking for a robot vacuum that also mops, then consider picking up the DreameTech D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Today we're unboxing and reviewing this product to see if this is something you'd like to pick up. In the interest of full disclosure, this product was sent to me free of charge by DreameTech. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. This 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop automatically chooses from sweeping or mopping based on floor surface and cleans up to approximately 2,100 square feet. It has a powerful suction and picks up dirt and messes easily from the surface and deep within carpet and hardwood floors. To mop, all you need to do is dampen the pad and add water to the tank, and you can program it to stop mopping after a certain time period to rinse the pad. It runs for 150 minutes, which is an hour and a half before it goes to the charging station to recharge. You can activate the robot vacuum using your Echo device, and the robot responds to your voice orders. After assembly, it will start to map out your home so that it can detect where it should and should not go. It uses LiDAR and SLAM navigation to ensure better accuracy, faster mapping, and learn the layout of your home to build smart maps which you can then use to create zone sections for spot cleaning or anything else. The vacuum robot has multiple cleaning methods: clean by rooms or cover the whole house, no-go zones, and cleaning twice for a better result. It has a 3-floor map memory function. It also has a HEPA filter, and as you can see, it picked up a lot of dirt from my floors even though I had already cleaned it. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 robot vacuum, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.